There are many steps we have to take before we can get to a point where we're actually putting a label on a bottle. What you're seeing in the product development process is called a prototype. And it's literally a label we printed out on our computer that we're going to wrap around our bottle to make sure it fits right. I know it sounds crazy, but you got to do it for a couple of reasons. You want to make sure that everything fits. You want to make sure that everything looks good. And you want to make sure that you're happy with the final outcome before you order thousands of labels. How do I know? I've made this mistake many times before. So what we've done is we designed a label for our newest product, Magic Mod, which is literally going to dethrone Mod Podge as the queen of all crafting glues. But we'll let the results speak for themselves later on. What we're doing now is grabbing our bottle, grabbing our label, putting everything together, and then creating a prototype so that we can start creating content. It's important to make content and show people what we have going on before we actually do a production run. So for the production run, we have 1,000 of these bottles. These are 8-ounce bottles, and they are perfect for Magic Mod. So what we'll do is print out the label on a piece of sticker paper, peel it off, wrap it around, and then this will be our working prototype. The print quality is pretty poor, not gonna lie, but that's because my printer isn't that great. We're just gonna run with it. It doesn't have to be perfect in the beginning. We just have to make progress. Hard part's gonna be getting this on straight. Stop moving. Boom. That's pretty good. Let's roll it around and see how it does. Perfect. I'll take it. That's good enough for now. And this is what Magic Mod is gonna look like. So then we'll take the recipe that we have for Magic Mod. You know how they say dog hair gets everywhere? Yeah, it's even getting inside our prototypes. This writing is going to be all in foil, by the way, and I'm really excited about it. And then here is the Magic Mod recipe, and we're just going to pour it in there. Excellent. And there you have it, the very first Magic Mod prototype. Now we can use this to create content, and we can create variations of these to send to content creators or influencers early on, but this is the first step in testing and proving that the product works.